we had a dead battery. Do I have to buy a brand new battery every year for this boat? I jumped the batteries from my trolling motor battery. We got a new charging system coming for the boat, and we're going to do a video about that. We got a 4 bank, so we can do all 3 of our trolling motor batteries, and we're going to be able to also charge our primary battery that basically starts our engines and also runs our Hummingbirds. If you're following along on my videos, I ran out of battery power. And there's nothing more disappointing than knowing that you bought all the right parts for the boat and all the best batteries, and you still are dead on the water. It really sucked. And here's the reason why. I have a 3 bank system here, and that's all fine and dandy for the 3 batteries I have here. But the trouble is, come on over here. Inside here is the primary battery. And the primary battery is what starts this and this. We need that to operate this and these. We got a problem. We have a dilemma. Because we're not really doing too much like boat driving, I'm not recharging the batteries fast enough. So we decided to get this. And this is a 4 banks charger. 3 for these batteries, and we're gonna send 1 over here and make sure that our primary battery is charged just like we're charging our other batteries on pretty much all the time. I mean, they're always on the charger. I have never had problems with the trolling motor, so I know that they're keeping the batteries at full charge, but it really sucks to die out on the water and have no engines. So luckily I keep a pair of jumper cables, and I jump one of these batteries right over to the other battery over here, which I know I have the door closed, but that's kind of the way videos go sometimes. We are going to make a change right now. Let's pull out this system. Should be fairly easy enough, I would think. Just got to remove these couple bolts here, and we're going to put our new system in. I'm sure it won't line up. That's you know what I'm saying. So I almost jumped in the water after my camera today. Boy, that really sucked. So I lost the camera and a tripod today at Round Valley. That was just some of the crazy problems that I had. Battery issues, lost some lures. I mean, that goes with fishing. Yeah, today was kind of a rough day. So I told my wife about it, and my wife's like, I told you that Round Valley is haunted. And I'm like, what are you talking about, haunted? She goes, it's been known that there's spirits there that create all kinds of havoc. People have drowned there and this and that. So as I was saying, I almost jumped in after my GoPro. I saw it flip over and the feet were still sticking up, and I was gonna dive in, and I didn't have a life preserver on. I was, you know, just doing some trolling. Who knows, maybe that would have been the last you ever saw of me. But so all the videos are going to be cut in half now because I only have 1 camera. Let's go ahead and get this baby out of here. We are, how good are we? Are we at 7/16? Yes sir, 7/16. Okay, so these wires just kind of go up and over here where I can't see, but you can. And then they come through here and come on down, and then they separate from there. So this should be fairly easy. I think really the biggest project is just basically mounting the bank system itself. But it's going to be much smaller. So yeah, we're looking forward to like not dying on the water. So let's get this guy out. We're gonna have to take all these battery terminal connections off. I'm gonna be pulling these guys off of here, making lots of noise. Can you see okay? In order to make 36 volt, the batteries have to cross back and forth in order to create a higher voltage. If you wanted to have extra battery power, but you wanted to stay 12 volt, let's say I want to put 2 batteries on the motor, which I'm actually considering, they would stay in line. So that would just add, they would both be 12 volt, you would just have an extra battery. So basically you can store more power, or not more power, but you're going to have a bigger storage. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about, right? I think you do. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to pull these through as we go. Let's get this guy out of here. Out with the old, and hopefully nice and easily in with the new. I'm going to say that this unit was potentially stock at the boat. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to put this on Marketplace. If you are looking to upgrade, and as I said, I'll put this on Marketplace. My suggestion is, this is good for a 24 volt. You got to run power to that, especially fishermen. We're just using so much electronics, and you know, I got 2 engines. This would be fine for a 24 volt trolling motor system. I have a 36 volt on this thing, and right now this is doing all the work to charge those 3 batteries. I need something to charge that starting battery, so that's why we're making the change. I'm looking at this, how this is, and the wires are feeding out this way. And my thought was to put this in this way, because this is upright. So when I look in here, at least I can see what's going on here. But unfortunately, that means I got to wrap around the unit to get out the hole. So maybe I should just go upside down like this. So it'll save me a little bit of space, and I think it'll look overall neater that I don't have all these wires dangling around. I don't think it matters how you set these. I don't believe anyway, and I seriously doubt that our bolt holes are going to line up. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Oh, it's not too wide. It's not too wide. Oh, maybe we will put it in like this. Let's go get the drill. I remember back in the day when I ran that SD card, I would just grab the other GoPro, but that's on the bottom around Valley. So back to getting our batteries taken care of. Well, while I was transferring the information off of the GoPro and onto the computer, I did pretty much all my wiring. So this is our bank system in here, and then it comes through here, and you can see I have all the batteries connected at this point. So what should we do now? Well, now, as you notice, there's no bass deck. I took the bass deck off. I have a little access point right here, so we'll be able to get through to get the battery, our main battery, on the other side. I'm hoping that opens up someplace over there. Let's go take a look. Yeah, so we'll be able to slide that right through there. And then we're going to put one more connection here. Now the problem is, don't believe I'm going to have enough line. Nope, it's going to have to stop right in the middle there. So we're going to have to create a connection to put over here. Okay, here we are at our local Tractor Supply, and we're going to get our wire. Get our wire. That's what we need. Actually might be a little thick, but that'll work. Oh boy. $14. Damn it, if I don't have them, I'll be pissed. Okay. This just cost me $66. $66. Can you believe this? $66 for this little bit of wire and connections. Yeah, she knows how to get miles on a car, that's for sure. Car still runs great. And we might as well do this. Oh, the ants. We might as well do this outside. and then we'll bring them in from there. No wonder it's cost so much. Look at all the zip ties they put on the thing. Not too bad. So I've got some of this material that we used for, if you recall, we used for our trolling motor connection. So I'm going to use this to wrap this up, kind of keep it a little bit neater. Oh, my hand just got crushed over here. That's why I kind of made that little crybaby yelp. We're good here. Certainly got enough line. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to splice these in here. Let's start digging into our $16 worth of butt end connectors. All right, so we're all connected here. Let's get charging and see what happens. We want to get this Banks charger plugged in, and hopefully it's set for lead. Flooded lead batteries, which we have, flooded acid batteries. If you have a different type of battery, if you have the new type batteries, you have to reset these, but they come standard with flood style batteries. I guess it's the lithium battery is the one that they require you to make some changes. Looks like we're gonna get some rain. I don't know. We're gonna charge the battery up to full charge, and then we're going to put our bank system on there. Hopefully it's going to do what we need to do. Unfortunately, really the only way we're going to know is when we get back on the water to start these engines, because I don't really like starting them dry. So yeah, then today they did start perfectly fine out of the gate, so I didn't really know I had an issue till later. Well, good morning. It's the next day here, and we ran our batteries on charge throughout the evening. We got them fully charged at this point. So this morning I got up early, plugged in the other batteries to put the Banks charger on. Worked perfectly. So I'll give you a picture of that so you can see what's going on there. Okay, so got the Banks charger plugged in there. They're all working as they should. And you can see all 4 lights are on. So we're gonna leave this on charge till we leave. Probably saying, what? Till we leave? What are you talking about, Kirk? What's going on? We're making another video today. It's not gonna be like a regular fishing video. It's gonna be a little different. Today, we're gonna go see if we can find our GoPro. I have a grapple. Hopefully all our batteries are going to be working the way they should, and hopefully we'll be able to use some of our imaging. Hi everybody. So we're back here. We just got done fishing at Round Valley. I just realized as I was doing some editing on the video how not so great pictures we had on the bank system. So I wanted to get some better pictures, and this is a Minn Kota Precision. This is a 4 bank system. we've been using it now for a few days since we first installed it with the video that you just got done watching, and it's really doing well. The motors are starting well, and it's just one of those things that it's like, oh wow, I should have done that a while ago. So really happy with the system. So if you guys are thinking about maybe upgrading your boat to a better system, the Minn Kota has been magnifique. So this here's the boat. As I said, we think we're maybe going to be going back out again tomorrow, maybe on the lake back on. Round Valley's been getting tough. It's been very hot here, probably hot where you live right now if you're in the States. It's been hot. It's been really hot. The fishing has slowed way down, so it's hard to make videos when you're not catching fish, right? But anyway, we can always put new parts on the boat, so you can see how we do that. All right, guys, well, I really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Really appreciate it.